welcome back to the Best Party channel. Today we're gonna make Earl Grey cookies for Mother's Day. Earl Grey is my mom's favorite tea and also mine. That's why I'm taking over the intro today to show you how easy it is to make it at home. But don't forget to get adult supervision. So now that we know what we're gonna make, subscribe, like the video and hit the notification bell and all that jazz. So let's get started. So here it is, guys, an easy recipe to make at home, especially if you like Earl Grey like me and my mom. I hope you like the video and the recipe, and make sure you make it for your mom on Mother's Day. Be sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell. Bye bye! If you like the video,
It's bad. It's alright. It's best party.